Lead dart. Bravo lost.
Take this objective.
Enemy UAV inbound. Come on, you're losing this fight.
Yep, we are getting over it.
Deploying RCXD.
Okay.
Archangel making
How
noise.
the frick did we lose?
Take it deep. Take it in.
Incoming flash. Taking the objective. Watch my 6. Enemy stunned. Hostile impact coming in.
Take it Bravo underway. Securing B.
Locking it down. Keep him off me.
B locked down.
Guys, close.
Incoming front.
Archangel making
Yeah, that's what
noise.
they do.
Watch me pointing that shit ass at.
Net call. Enemy watchdog helo inbound. Hostile UAV established overhead.
We have to
Take
take
it
this
Bravo
objective.
underway.
Damn. I tried to come help y'all at me.
Stay down.
Dominant.
Target appears hostile.
Lost B.
Bravo.
Yeah, they are. They in the
Enemy grenade.
Archangel Bravo. Take it Bravo underway.
They're throwing.
Yeah, they throwing too much.
Take it B.
Too much meat.
Operating RCXD. Securing B.
Oh, yeah. Oh, blam.
They said, where B at? Yeah.
What?
Yeah, they'll be. I just got killed.
Whoa, what?
Take it Bravo underway.
God, dude.
Yeah, we losing. Yeah, we losing.
Enemy using shock charge.
Losing B.
Enemy stunned.
Losing Bravo. Enemy UAV inbound.
What?
Losing B. Bravo lost.
Yeah,
RCXD maneuvering.
Objective capture in progress.
Securing B.
Bullshit, that's way.
dude, I'm so
Stun incoming.
B locked down.
Wow.
Enemy barn stop.
Oh my God, there's the right side of the house. The green house to the right.
Lost B.
Oh my God.
Watch out. Grenade.
I run
Take this objective.
He's up there.
Hostile UAV established overhead.
That fucking douche bag ball douches.
Wow.
Incoming flashbang.
That. Look at my sniper.
Dude. My frag
Oh,
kills have
okay.
been on
You know
fire.
what?
Watchdog helo incoming on your location. Deploying RTXD.
Haven't you heard? No one stays dead anymore.
Enemy UAV inbound.
Ah, bro. Dude.
Spring mine deployed.
They're taking
Yeah.
Enemies down.
hostile UAV established overhead.
Your sniper instructed.
Taking Bravo underway.
Shit. Yeah. We
Zeroing out.
got one. We got one.
Awesome. Oh my. Dude, this is like my heart shit right
Well, these guys are being sweaty.
Losing Charlie.
Sweat.
here. Yep.
Locking down Bravo.
I can't be everywhere.
Whatever.
Yeah, we got to get out. I'm about to back out there. They try hard.
Bravo is ours.
Yeah.
Hostile RCXD in your AO.
Yeah. Oh my god, dude. Try hard, shitty. Yeah. Back us out, dude.
Yeah, we lost. We're playing with kids. That's what they Yeah.
What the fuck? I just got blown up as soon as I spawned.
Bravo lost.
Wow, dude. Yeah. Try hard.
Oh.
Securing B.
Get off the floor.
Eyes on enemy.
I came in behind me.
Hostile
Enemy
subjects.
UAV inbound.
Yeah,
Taking
lay
B.
down.
How did they kill?
You fucking blind?
Taking Bravo underway.
Incoming subjects.
One in the house, by the wall. That's it. I got stood up there by the door.
Let's go, baby.
One in that truck. One in the truck.
RCXD maneuvering.
Yep.
Calling in score streak. Operator establishing score streak.
Fourth Street,
Hostile UAV established overhead.
Oh.
Enemy UAV inbound. Enemy RCXD detected.
Fuck. Like, make it a... Let me get to the front door.
I got 50 damn hits, really.
We're losing Charlie. Calling in score streak.
Come on.
No.
There's an apex bomb.
Eyes on hostile.
Almost spawn.
Yeah, they back there. They spawn.
Securing zone A.
Yeah,
Take it out.
try hard.
Lock down
hard.
Oh,
Yeah, they try hard, baby. They try hard.
Good effect on
way, dude.
Get a counter
Yeah, they
UAV
try
in the
hard.
air.
They won. I'll say they cheated. Because there's no way they're gonna have 380.
Deploying
384, and we got 341. No way. Yeah, and these probably kids.
You gonna let a bunch of company assholes beat you? Fight back, damn it! Look alive! Hostile sentry turret active.
Incoming frag.
Because the those play fair, kids will be cheap.
Oh, God. That was cool, dude. That's cool.
Yeah, the CIA is gonna let you walk all over them.
Hey,
You guys fucking. Nah, they all cheated because they was in the back.
I got
All them cheaters.
I didn't.
If they all not enough.